Namaste. I am Dr. Prakriti Joshi Trivedi from Ajmer city, Rajasthan, India. Let's begin our meditation journey. Find a comfortable place where you would not be disturbed for the next 20 to 30 minutes. You may sit on a chair or you may lie down, whatever is comfortable to you. For the next 30 minutes, we will just let go. We will not create, we will not contemplate, and we will not reject. We will just go with the flow. Close your eyes and relax. Relax your both feet. Let your calf muscles relax. Let them unwind. Relax both your knees. Let go. Relax the muscles in your thighs and buttocks. Let the relaxation rise to the abdomen. Relax your abdomen. Navel center. Let the muscles in and around the navel center relax completely. Relax all the muscles in and around your stomach. Let the relaxation rise up to your chest. Breathe in and let go. Let all the heaviness go. Another deep breath in and out. Let the muscles in the neck relax. Relax both shoulders. Relax your upper back, lower back, relax all the muscles of the face. Unclench your jaw. Relax your forehead. Eyes, nose, cheeks, ears. Relax. Relax your whole body. Place your entire weight on the chair or on the bed where you are relaxing. Relax. Take your attention to your eyes. Your eyes are becoming heavy, heavy, and heavy. Your eyes are becoming heavy as if they are sticking together. As your eyes stick together, you are beginning to drift further and further. You are drifting deeper and deeper. Allow your thoughts to relax. Imagine yourself in a calm and peaceful place. Let your mind expand. Let it expand more and more. Your mind is expanding more and more. Your mind is expanding exponentially, and you are open to every possibility now. Imagine yourself floating. You are floating in the vast universal cosmic space. अरबों खरबों चांद सितारे, कहीं खत्म न होने वाला गगन, उसके बीच में आप हो। आपके अंदर का ईश्वर आपको मार्ग दिखा रहा है। The divine inside you is your guiding light. आपके अंदर की रोशनी आपको राह दिखा रही है। You are moving in the cosmic space. You are floating in the cosmic space. Crossing all mountains, floating over the trees, rivers, valleys. You are free to touch the stars. You can touch the moon. You are happy. You are so happy. Your happiness knows no bounds. You are just expanding more and more. आपकी चेतना फैलती ही जा रही है, दूर गगन में, ऊंचे आसमान में। You can now feel the wind blowing and sweet smelling scent of flowers around. The divine inside you, आपके अंदर का ईश्वर आपको आगे ले जा रहा है। The divine inside you is taking you towards a sacred place called Shambhala. 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 आपके अंदर की चैतन्य शक्ति आपको लेके जा रही है एक पवित्र स्थान जिसका नाम है शंबाला। It's an ancient city where everyone is happy and grateful. उड़ते उड़ते बहते बहते, floating and flying, you have reached Shambhala. There are many people, all dressed in finery, dancing, singing, and they are very happy. महसूस कीजिए शंबाला में आपके आसपास सभी लोग बहुत सुंदर नृत्य कर रहे हैं, गाने गा रहे हैं। वे लोग बहुत खुश हैं, वे लोग बहुत कृतज्ञ हैं। They are very, very grateful. The divine you also begins to dance. The divine you has come home. घर आ गया है। The divine you is also dressed in your favorite colorful costume and is getting filled up with more and more light of happiness. खुशियों की रोशनी से आपके अंदर का ईश्वर आपको भरते जा रहा है। आप चलते जा रहे हैं, नृत्य करते जा रहे हैं, मुस्कुरा रहे हैं। You are moving, dancing, smiling, and now entering a very large white cathedral. The pillars are so beautiful, all carved and jeweled. The hall is huge and spacious. Everything is transparent and soft. You are here and floating through the hall, and you are able to adjust your inner vision. आप हॉल के अंदर बह रहे हैं और आप अपनी अंतर्दृष्टि को एडजस्ट कर पा रहे हैं। आप अपनी अंतर्दृष्टि से देख पा रहे हैं। You are able to adjust your inner sight and see all the people and situations are appearing one by one in front of you. सभी व्यक्ति और परिस्थितियां आपके सामने एक एक करके उपस्थित हो रहे हैं. All the people and situations that you forgot to show your thankfulness to. Now is the time. Say thank you to each person and situation whom you forgot to show your gratitude. समय आ गया है धन्यवाद करने का इन सब लोगों और परिस्थितियों का जो आपके सामने अभी हैं और जिनका धन्यवाद करना आप भूल गए थे. Thanks. Thank you so much. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thanks a ton. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a ton. Thanks. Thanks a ton. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. धन्यवाद है आपका. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद. थैंक्स अ टन. धन्यवाद है आपका. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Floating in the hall, you have reached another place. हॉल में उड़ते उड़ते आप एक अन्य स्थान पर आ गए हैं. In front of you are the people whom you thought were your enemies, your betrayers. आपके सामने वो लोग हैं जिन्हें आपने अपना दुश्मन समझा. आपने ऐसा समझा कि उन्होंने आपके साथ धोखा किया है. एंड whom you could never thank for being in your life. और जिनका आप आपके जीवन में होने का कभी धन्यवाद नहीं कर पाए. Allow them to appear one by one. उन्हें भी आपके सामने एक एक करके आने दीजिए. The divine inside you is able to see the light within them also. आपके अंदर की ईश्वरीय शक्ति उनके भीतर की रोशनी को देख पा रही है. The divine inside you is bowing down to them, and they are in turn bowing down to you. उनके अंदर का ईश्वर उन्हें प्रणाम कर रहा है और उनके अंदर की रोशनी आपको प्रणाम कर रही है। Both of you are opening well springs of love and affection. Both of you are thankfully showing gratitude and grace that you are inherently made of. The thankfulness inside your DNA has got activated. You can feel the energy of thankfulness inside every tissue, every cell, every nerve, and every tendon in your body. The Divine You is hugging everyone in an energetic hug. There is a unison of voices reciting, "Thank you for this breath. Thank you for the inhalation. Thank you for the exhalation. Thank you for my heart. Thank you for pulsating. Thank you for all the love." धन्यवाद है मेरे पैरों का कि मैं चल सकता हूँ, कि मैं नृत्य कर सकता हूँ। Thank you eyes. Thank you for the sunrise. Thank you for the sunset. धन्यवाद है कानों का कि हम सुन सकते हैं। Thank you my hands. Thank you for holding. Thank you universe. Thank you divine. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.